Hello, grade 6. Today's topic in maths is on direct proportion. We have a typical example of how to complete a table in direct proportion. For instance, there is Mirupi who plans to buy 2 liters of cold drink for every 3 guests at her party. There is Mirupi who plans to buy 2 liters of cold drink for every 3 guests at her party. Then we are asked to complete the table as the table that I have here. You can see number of guests and number of cold drink. Now we need to have a working ratio. We are told that for every 3 guests, Mirupi has to buy 2 cold drinks. So if we take number of guests to be G and liters of cold drink to be C, then this equals 3 to 2. 3 to 2 is therefore our working ratio. Now, when a ratio increases or decreases, that is called a proportion. So for us to find what we have here under liters of cold drink, then we need to find a number that when we multiply by 2, it gives us this 6 here. So for us to have 6, it means 3 was multiplied by 2. So since the increase is in the same ratio, then we need to look at the same number 2 and multiply by all these other numbers here to get what we should have as liters of cold drink. If we multiply 3 by 2, it will give us 6. If we multiply 2 by 2, it will give us 4. Therefore, for 6 guests, we are going to have 4 cold drinks, or 4 liters of cold drink. So we write 4 here. Getting to the other column here, if the number of guests increases to 9, then how many liters of cold drink will be needed for those guests? So we should find a number that when we multiply by 3, it gives us 9. So what number is that? So if we divide 9 by 3, it will give us 3. So we use the same number 3 to multiply by 2. Therefore, if you multiply 2, the ratio for liters of cold drink, by 2, by 3 rather, on the other column here, then we are going to have 6. In the same way, getting to the other column here, we have number of guests increasing to 12. We use the same number, 12 divided by 3, that will be 4. So meaning that 4 is the number that we need to multiply by 2 to get the liters of cold drink. So 4 by 2, that will give us 8. We need to do the same to find for these others here. So what is important here is the working ratio, G to C, G standing for number of guests, and C standing for liters of cold drink, 3 to 2. This is how you are going to fill up all the others here. Thank you.